Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Tuesday, August 2nd. I just hit oil a few seconds ago before I started the video. Right here. So I am going to hold off on oil because it worked nicely. Sorry I couldn't show that to you. So we're going to turn on the ES and the NQ. That one. Let's do the strategy performance. 135, 2,844, so you're roughly 2,700, and do that every month. 186,000. See if the ES or the NQ is going to go. Looks like it's bouncing off that 21-day EMA. See if we can get an upward push. Yeah, I think the NQ has been going down. There we go. I think it's going to go down for a little while. Or go back up. Buyback, I mean. Come on. Ooh, I got that way too close. Oh. I probably should turn the longs off. Let's get back up there.
Order submitted.
Let's get back up there.
Order canceled.
I hit that one fast.
Order filled.
Yeah, okay. Wow. I wasn't intending to hit that ES so fast, but it looks like it was a pretty good job right there because I hit it right. Or the software. It hit both and then took off and then stopped. Perfect. All right. Yeah, the time now is 9:13. So we saw the oil, what that one was. 122, so 3,200 roughly. Yeah, roughly. 100,000 a month for 30 days if you do that. Here on the NQ. 2,400, 122, same. 25-30 contracts. Yeah, so 2,300 roughly. No, 2,200. And then 72,000 for the month on a real fast moving. I mean, I couldn't have caught that. There's no way. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I will keep making the videos, guys.